The day is finally upon us. You can now finally mint your Terra Virtua NFTs from last year's Cardano conference. Want to get your own NFTs into your own wallet? Let's take a look at how together. Welcome back to Woodland Pools. Today it's time for the weekly report. Sorry for being one day late this week, but we were sick all week and we figured, you know what? It'd be perfect if we released the video on Monday and we can mint together the Terra Virtua NFTs from last year's Cardano conference. Today is the day. They finally went live, so let's take a look at how to do that together. Let's jump in. Okay, so we're going to be doing this together step by step, so if you want to follow along, feel free to do exactly as we are doing. The update came out from Josh Miller. Everything is live. There is a step-by-step guide that we will also link below, but the first thing you want to do is come to terravirtua.io/Cardano. You're going to want to log in, and then you'll be on this page here where the next thing you need to do is link your Cardano wallet. Currently, the only wallet that they're integrated with is NAMI, so you need to make sure you have NAMI wallet installed. So click on connect. We're going to grant access to our NAMI wallet. And here we go. So now we can see we have access to all 7 NFTs. One thing to point out that they mentioned in the FAQ is that you can mint all 7 NFTs whether or not you actually got them during the conference. So during the conference they said, hey, you're only going to be able to get whichever ones you collect here. And for those of us that were fighting to get the flying stingrays or some of the other ones for a few hours, it's a little frustrating that, hey, everyone gets all 7, but whatever. We're excited that we're at this point and we can actually get our NFTs. So let's go ahead and do that. We can click on the ones that we want to mint. We want to get all 7, so let's go ahead and click all 7. Okay, and then from here we're going to click on Mint NFT. Something else to keep in mind is that the amount of NFTs that you mint also dictates the price that it's going to be for the minting. This is very similar to drip drops, where the more that you get, you pay a tiny bit more for the transaction fee to cover their costs on their end. But at the end of the day, to have everything minted and sent back to your wallet, 1 ADA per NFT seems like a pretty good deal, especially to have these on hand and remember the conference. I don't know, I think it's fun. So let's go ahead and click on Mint NFT. All right, so now we're going to see here that we have the 7 ADA that we're paying them, plus the network transaction fee that we have here. Let's go ahead and sign this with our NAMI wallet and enter our spending password. All right, so we're gonna confirm. Cool, minting is in progress, so we're gonna give it a minute and we'll come back later. So we're gonna click on close. We can see here that these are all on processing. Okay, so it took a minute here, but when we click on our NAMI wallet, this wallet originally had about 17 ADA in it. And we can now see that the 7 ADA and change that we paid has been removed. It is now in our transaction history. So it's now been submitted to the blockchain. So now we're just gonna wait to get an update here on the Terra Virtua website itself. And we should be able to see them actually appear as tokens in our wallet when they come in. Okay, so it took a few minutes, but if we come back to our NAMI wallet again, we can now see that our balance has gone up by a little bit for the minimum transaction that comes in with NFTs. If we go to our transactions, we can see that we got 1.8 ADA back and our 7 NFTs that came in with it. If we come to our collectibles section in NAMI, we can now see all of our NFTs here on the Cardano blockchain. Really cool. Let's take a look at the flying stingrays. Here's the policy and the asset. You can also come to the receive section, copy your wallet's address, paste it into pool.pm, and you can see your NFTs live on the Cardano blockchain. If you want to hold on to them, you can send them to any of your other wallets or just keep them in the wallet that you minted them from. Or if you want to sell them, or maybe if you didn't pick up any of the NFTs during the conference, they are now a verified collection on JPEG Store, so you can come and pick up your own NFTs. It looks like right now they're going for, before they were only going for about 39 to 40 ADA. Now they're going for anywhere from 50 to 100 or 200 or so. So if you want to buy some, you can do that. The floor seems to be about 50 ADA right now, or you can sell them if you want. We're going to hold on to ours. If you want to display your NFTs inside of your Terra Virtua multiverse, they show here in their step-by-step video how you can do that and place them inside of your own little living room here. But yeah, there you go. Nice short video on how you can finally get your hand on your own Terra Virtua Cardano Conference NFTs. Hope you enjoy yours, and if nothing else, we'll see you next week.